Tinkerbell?
Oh my God, Tinkerbell.
What is up with you, Vidya?
I don't know. What is up with you, Tinkerbell?
Oh my God, Vidya, you are so harshing my Fairy Popular.
You know what? I had Fairy Popular way before you had Fairy Popular. I was a fairy way before you were a fairy.
You're such a has-been, Vidya.
You know what? You just...
Get away from me, Vidya!
I have to get away from you.
What the hairy fence?
I win every time.